excited for today.
Me too. Today is the first day of summer break, which means no more school.
These mangoes are the sweetest you'll find today, fresh from the farm and ready to cool you.
पंखे खांजरे तो आता है से तो ओथी ते पतिंदे जे आरे समय के जे तुम ये तो साचे ते छे ओथी को नी के तो छोटे पंक्ति एक